Is Amazon Seller University enough to really learn PPC? Amazon Seller University is helpful. It's going to prioritize selling their products. Brand managers, managing agencies, even within PPC, directly from Amazon, are telling you that those are their products. Someone is teaching you how to use their products. I would be very cautious whenever someone else is selling me something that it's theirs, and they're also in the business of making money off your mistakes. So what I would do in this case is go through that Seller University. Keep in mind that we as an agency, in order to achieve advanced partner or verified partner status, we did go through all the courses that they requested to have that check mark. And that is something that you have to do on a yearly basis. I'm talking to you from that point of view. If I would have learned only on that theory and real life, like when you're spending the money and when the customer is upset and it's like, why it's not working, Noemi? This is where you actually feel the pain and understand, hey, quickly, I have to learn. So that's why I'm saying that Amazon Seller University, it's a good way for you to understand mainly how the ad works. I spent at least 5 million in ad spend to teach you today to come here and tell you what works, what doesn't. They did not spend that money to teach you, maybe for courses or tutorials. That's why I'm saying if someone is going to make money off you making mistakes, be super generous and say thank you. I would like to learn from someone who's actually spending their own money on ad. And this is not us against Amazon, because we love Amazon. Because of Amazon, I'm here today teaching you. Right.